What are you gonna do, Rosie? What are you gonna do? Bouncing?
Bouncing.
Bouncing, 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 bouncing.
Whoa.
Is this Happy New Year bouncing? Are you saying Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year? Bouncing, 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 bouncing.
I'm bouncing.
Are you bouncing?
You.
How you do it? I'm trying to.
Whoa.
Oh, ready? Bouncing, bouncing, bouncing.
Bouncing.
Bouncing, bouncing. You like bouncing? I got your tummy. I got your tummy. Mommy, get it again. Oh, those are stinky feet. Run to daddy. Run to daddy. You want you jumping? Are you a big jumping girl? Are you saying ha ha? Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Run to mommy. Run to mommy. You want to do some bouncing? Okay. Ready? Oh.
Jump, jump! Whoa! Whoa! I got you. I got you. Are you ready for bouncing? Okay.
Bouncy, 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 bouncy.
Hi.
Happy New Year.
Okay, ready?
Wee.
Can you say Happy New Year? Happy New Year. Can you say that?
Say happy.
Can you say Happy New Year? Hi, Rosie. Bouncing, bouncing.
This is not as good when you do it yourself.
His nose. Hi, baby. Can you say hi to the camera? Uh-oh. Let me get close up, baby. I think I'll do close up from far away. Jumping, jumping, jumping.
There's mommy and daddy.
That's a picture.
Picture, yes.
Where's daddy? That's the remote.
Hey, baby.
He's turning the light off and on. Light. You want to do bouncing? the light. You want to do bouncing?
Bouncy. Hi.
Hi. Hi. I could get you.
Bouncy.
That's Mommy's chapstick.
The skunk. The skunk. Skunk.
Hey, baby. Can you say Happy New Year?
I
Can you say Christina?
know. Purple.
What's she saying there? I
Skunk.
think she's saying picture. She thinks you're taking a picture.
Laps.
Lips.
That goes on your lips. Yeah. Should Mommy put some on your lips?
I.
Okay. Give to Mommy.
A good girl.
Good girl.
The laps.
Lips. Okay, here. Mommy put some on her finger, and then we'll put some on your lips. How's that? Oh, yes. Now baby's lips are all soft. All done.
I done.
All done. Are you ready to do more bouncing?
Bouncy.
Bouncing, bouncing, bouncing. You want to sit on the pillow?
Go.
Should you sit on the pillow and Mommy bounce you? We could get a video of her talking, like going around and saying different things. She's good at talking now. Can you stand up on the pillow? That'd be pretty impressive. Oh yeah.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Whoa. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wee. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy.
That's good bouncing.
Whoa. Tickle. Wee. Bouncy, bouncy. Circle. What are you saying?
Or
she could do her puzzle. You want to go show the camera how you can do your puzzle? Yeah. Puzzle. Where is the circle? Yeah, where's the circle go? Good job! And that's the oval. Where's the oval go? Oh, you almost got it in. Yay, you got it!
Yeah, good job.
And the square. Yay!
Good job,
That's where
baby.
the square goes. And the rectangle. That one's kind of tricky. Oh, you got it. Good job. Yay! And what's this? Triangle. Triangle. Yeah, it's kind of tricky too. Yay! You got
Good
it.
job. The whole puzzle. Yay, baby.
You're so smart.
Yay, baby.
Should we say our animals? Yeah. What animal is this? Duck. What do ducks say? Quack. Oh, good job. What about this one? What animal is this? Ducky, ducky was this one. That's a chicken. Can you say chicken? What do chickens say? Buck. That's, they say buck. You know this one. Pig. What do pigs say? Oinky. That's right. And that one? Cow. What do the cows say? Moo. You like this one? Horse. What do horses say? Neigh. And this one? Sheep. Baa. You know that one really good. And you just learned this one. What's that? Goat. Do you know what goats say? I don't know. Yeah, this is kind of like the sheep. That's right.
Good job, baby.
What? Do you know what this is?
Bird.
Barn. That's right. We just learned that one too. Yeah. Now, do you remember this one? What's that?
Color.
Chicken.
I know.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! You're all falling off. Oh no! Oh no!
I know.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh, they all fell off.
No.
Would you like to ride your tricycle, Rosie?
You want to ride on your tricycle? You want to ride? Wee!
Circle. Circle. Wee.
She can go backwards. You're a big girl.
Still working on the forward.
Backwards.
Yeah, we.
Wee! She wants to touch the
Look.
bonk. Did you bonk a little bit?
It's okay.
Oh.
Are you okay? You bonked your mouth a little bit. I think you're okay.
Look.
You want to touch those. You don't put your hands on them. You put your feet on them.
My feet won't reach though.
Not quite big enough.
Wee. Wee.
Wee.
Wee.
Do you want to do some blocks?
Okay.
Okay. Where are your blocks? Where are they? Oh, can you pick them up?
Seven.
Yeah, it's heavy.
Do you see here with the exercise ball last night?
Shoot.
That's pretty funny.
Yay.
Do you see a letter? What letter is that?
There's a lion.
Wow.
How about this, Rosie?
See.
C. Oh, and the C goes on the animal tower. Good job.
This, Rosie.
What letter does Daddy have? H. Good job.
Uh-oh.
Oh, uh-oh. Tractor. Vroom.
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 Star.
That's not that heavy.
Vroom.
Is the cow a car?
Apparently. Looks like a tractor.
Chicken! Yeah, you know that's a chicken. You shake, 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 shake. Good job. Oh, that's good dancing.
Yes.
Lights, yeah, there's lights on it. Oh, very good dancing. Woo. You like to play new songs. Yeah. We have to get through all the songs. Rosie, where's our Christmas tree? Did you have a good Christmas? Oh, what's Daddy doing behind you? What's Daddy doing? We don't care. We want to dance.
Toe.
Tower! What do we do with towers? Whoa! We knock them over.
Let's go. Toe.
Mm-hmm.
Toe.
You want to do
You
some
knock
more
them over.
letters?
Oh, you can build your own tower. Okay.
Oh, that's a very good one. It's kind of tricky on the carpet.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa.
Whoa. Yeah, it keeps falling down. You could do 2 blocks, but 3, not so much.
Three.
Whee! What letter is this?
X.
X, that's right.
Toe. Whoa. Wee.
Whee! What letter is this?
Wee.
Wee. Oh. What letter is this?
K.
K, good job.
K. K.
K.
Day.
J.
No.
Oh no.
Wee.
Whee! Whee!
Wee.
This is an important one, Rosie. What letter is this?
Oh.
R. Good job.
You're building a tower.
Oh, building a tower on the shelves. That's a very smart girl.
Oh.
Uh-oh, still doesn't work with 3.
Roar. Is there a lion?
That was a rocket.
Okay, rocket.
Hey, Rosie, what is this?
Bus.
Bus. Do you like your new bus?
Go.
Oh, he goes in the front seat. Yeah, and then he makes noise. There you go.
Watch for the flashing lights.
That's.
See?
Everyone sit down. Let's go to school.
I like that song. She just keeps pressing it until we get to it.
Watch for the flashing lights.
Those lights aren't hot, baby.
Everyone sit down. Let's go to school.
It's running on Rosie.
Watch for the flashing lights.
Whee! Wee, wee, wee. What's that letter? E, that's right.
There's
Can you say
a
hi
lion.
to the camera, Rosie?
I can. Good job.
Can you say Happy New Year? Say, I had a good year.
You did have a good
Say
year,
bye-bye.
didn't you?
Say bye-bye.
Can you say bye-bye? You wave? Can you wave?
Say bye-bye to the camera.
Say this is fun. We don't want to say bye-bye
You
yet.
smile.
Are you putting blocks in the bus?
Bus.